unreal. I've never seen anything like it.
It is absolutely fantastic. I'm so impressed that we have this equipment in Florence.
It's amazing. It's something that you don't normally see. Just unreal. The whole building, the whole facility is...
You kind of expect to see something like this in Disney World, and yet this is more advanced than what I've seen there.
Yes, this is the capstone facility for the Southeastern Institute for Manufacturing and Technology. This is the Advanced Manufacturing Center. It's the first of 8 facilities that we'll have in this institute. And the purpose of the institute is really devoted to supporting high-tech manufacturing, which is really the next iteration of manufacturing that we're going to be experiencing in this country. So we have high-end CNC machining here, hydraulics, pneumatics. We've got all of the support services that manufacturers would need. They're entering into this particular environment. And we've got other support services such as virtual reality support systems for marketing, for teaching, and for developing. We've got rapid prototyping, manufacturing, and so forth. So it's just about all of the resources that you would need to enter into a high-tech manufacturing environment, which makes you very, very competitive on a larger scale. The first floor of the building is devoted to the manufacturing arena, which is composed of the Rapid Prototyping Manufacturing Center, which uses all of the latest technology to be able to support additive manufacturing, which is where you start from a concept and then really build your product from different media, whether it's plastic or metal or liquid. Then we move out into the arena where we have the CNC machinery, and we have metrology here to be able to use for quality control. We've got hydraulics and pneumatics that anybody would need to be able to support this type of technology that's going to be able to do the kind of tooling that you would need to be able to make the products you're going to make. We have engineering labs that will be able to support any kind of design that we come up with. Second floor, of course, our major partner is Eon Reality, and that is, we have set up an interactive digital center, which is one of the few in the world, which we're very proud of. It has all of the facilities that Eon Reality would have in their home base in Irvine, California, and in their other centers that they have around the world. We can do product development there. We can do product examination there. So we've got conference facilities, consulting facilities, access to a large network of subject matter experts in this area, so that we have the ability to be able to connect somebody with people all over the world who are involved with 3D virtual reality product design and development.
Hi, I'm Mats Johansson, CEO of Eon Reality. I would like to welcome you to the SIMT Interactive Digital Center in Florence, South Carolina. First, I would like to introduce you to the Flexible iCube. It's a large screen, immersive and interactive display where I can bring in CAD models like this Northrop Grumman jet engine that we see here. The iCube itself can be configured in the current setup, which can address a large audience, or in a U-shape to do an individual, fully immersive design review. The iCube can be used for multiple purposes, everything from training, education, to sales and marketing presentations. What we see here is an interactive walkthrough of an executive jet, a Bombardier Challenger 850. And in this case, the CAD design data has been textured and CG shaders have been added to create this incredibly realistic model that when you view it in glasses, you see also the depth perception. So here we're looking at the Eon Touchlight, which is the first non-touch interaction technology. So just by reaching up my hand here without touching the screen, I have full control of the interaction of this object, this BMW car here. I can also zoom in and program different gestures using this technology. A lot of the uses here we see in areas like marketing presentations, training scenarios in healthcare settings, maybe when you have to be in a sterile environment when you're looking at a 3D data or a 3D model. Okay, in this example we see a layout from Toyota's manufacturing process for the Toyota Prius. This particular section here addresses the welding for the car body. And I can interactively investigate and try out virtually different scenarios before I actually build the actual line or a prototype which can lead to substantial cost savings in the entire manufacturing process. And here we have the artificial eye, which is an auto-stereoscopic display solution, where you can take any data like film, 3D models, CAD data, and present to a larger group of people without the need to wearing glasses when you view a 3D environment.
Well, welcome to the Interactive 3D Virtual Reality Center at the Southeastern Institute of Manufacturing and Technology. My name is Mike Mason. I'm the Assistant Director and I manage the Interactive Digital Center. Interesting thing to me as an educator about all of this is that there's three things that have been proven about working in this environment. The first one is that you do tend to learn faster, you certainly remember longer, and they decide quicker.
What I want to demonstrate is project work that we're doing to develop a training for a self-rescue, self-contained, self-breathing apparatus for Kentucky Coal Academy. And within this one, we're going to show a self-running demonstration of how the air is filtered and how the self-rescuer purifies the air based upon the breath exhaled from the miner and heat process and moisture that actually causes it to activate a chemical compound that removes the CO2 from the breath and returns oxygen.
I've never seen anything like this. Being an engineer, you'd think that maybe I'd been exposed to some of this. Have not, but it's absolutely wonderful. And the future for that 3D virtual reality is unlimited.